Why is it so important to ditch chemical skincare and opt for natural organic skincare? Is it because it is a fad going around the world for organic, more sustainable skincare? Or is there an urgent need for us and for our skin to make this shift? The answer is very simple: natural, organic, and basically skincare which uses only natural ingredients without any chemicals like SLS and benzones and phthalates and sulfates and parabens has been existed for centuries. This is a traditional method for skincare for nourishing our skin and hair, and Indian women and women all across the world have known these. These are a part of our heritage, of our culture, of our tradition, and have existed for centuries. This is nothing new, not a new concept. It has just evolved in modern times because people were losing their natural beauty and losing their hair. So, this need for organic based skincare has evolved. Again, I would say it has revived. It is nothing new in today's world because women in India were so used to the rituals of applying uptons and nourishing their hair with oils that these have existed in ancient Ayurveda system and among our centuries of women in our country. So why not opt for this method which is time tested and which has existed for centuries? Now, scientifically speaking, I would like to tell you that science also supports natural or organic skincare. There are two things which are most important in skincare which were missing when we opted for a lot of retinols and vitamin C serums and other kinds of chemical skincare. The two things are your skin barrier function. The skin basically has a protective skin barrier layer. So this layer protects your skin from the outside world and it helps to retain the moisture and the good lipid content, that is the good fats present in your skin. These lipids actually add that glow and luminosity that the world sees. When you wake up in the morning, your skin doesn't feel dry or stretchy, right? It feels soft and supple, and that is the way it is supposed to feel. It's supposed to feel soft and fluff, and really when you touch the skin there should be a little oiliness, very little, very subtle, but you will feel that. You won't feel the dry flakiness coming out of your skin. That is not healthy skin. If you feel that, a normal healthy skin will feel glowing and lustrous as soon as you wake up. Like, I have just woken up a few hours back and I have not applied anything else on my skin except from a lipstick. So this is how my skin feels. It doesn't feel dry, it doesn't feel flaky. This is most important thing, your skin barrier function. So if that is repaired and that is not disrupted as it is with natural skincare, then you don't have to really do much for your skin. It will just be the way it is, because that's how human body is made by God. Everything is in homeostasis. That means everything has a balance. Everything restores and rejuvenates and repairs and heals from inside. Our body has an innate defense mechanism and innate immunity and innate reparative functions already present, and skin is beautiful in that regard. Skin has a lot of stem cells and regenerative capacity. So whenever there's a cut or a wound, you've seen that it heals by itself. That is the healing power of nature. Encash on that and opt for a natural skincare and all organic skincare. The other thing that is most important for natural skincare, and that is really doing the rounds these days, you're seeing that trend, you're seeing the shift in the way skincare industry is now making products with lactobacillus and other kinds of probiotic and prebiotic strains. So this is nothing new to the ancient Ayurvedic system or the ancient system of rituals where women were applying uptons and oils and really nourishing their skin, because all these oils and the various kind of masks that we apply on our face which are natural actually help in the growth of good bacteria. They help with the growth of these small, very tiny microorganisms which we cannot see with our naked eye, which can only be seen with a microscope. And these form a colony, a healthy ecosystem on your skin, which helps to fight the bad bacteria like Propionibacter, which causes acne, and also the various kinds of other kind of inflammations. These bacteria help in your natural restorative ability of the skin and maintain a healthy ecosystem which gives you a beautiful luster, good health and good glow. So don't think this is a fad. Opt for natural skincare, be happy, be glowing and stay fresh.